So a very simple method to looking at this again is to try to treat it as like a fraction equals to fraction. And so negative 2, 3 over 1, you can treat it as negative 2, bracket 3m plus 1 over 1. And 5 over 2, again, you can treat it as 5, 2 minus m divided by 2. Okay, so because this is 5 multiplied to 2 minus m divided by 2. So I'm going to put 2 at the bottom. Okay. If you are very comfortable, you can see that if I don't even cross multiply, I don't use the idea of cross multiplying. I just need to multiply both sides by 2. By 2. You can see a division of 2 and a multiplication of 2, basically they cancel out because 2 over 2 is 1. So on my right hand side, I have 5 multiplied to 2 minus m. On the left hand side, just be careful, you have a 2 multiplied to negative 2 multiplied to 3m plus 1. So I'm just going to put this 2 and this negative 2 together first. 2 times negative 2, that gives me a negative 4 bracket 3m plus 1. Okay. Now in this position, what we do next is we expand the brackets. Okay. So in order for us to solve for m, so negative 4 and 3m, now putting them together, that gives me negative 12m. Negative 4 to positive 1. Negative 4 times positive 1, that gives me negative 4. Positive 5 to 2, that gives me 10. Now positive 5 to negative m, that will give me negative 5m. So from here again, we want to probably bring negative 12m and negative 5m. Negative 12m will be smaller. So usually my personal take is to bring the smaller guy to the bigger guy. Okay, so to reverse this negative 12m, what I want to do is to add 12m on both sides. Okay, so a negative 12 and a positive 12, they cancel out to give you 0. So on the left hand side, I'm left with a negative 4. On the right hand side, negative 5m plus 12m, negative 5m plus 12, that will give you a positive 7m. Now I have a 10 here who's doing nothing, so the 10 will continue in the next step. Remember, we want to make m the subject. Okay, so maybe next time what we need to do is probably we want this m to be by itself. So I'm going to get rid of the 10 by doing a subtraction of 10 on both sides. Positive 10 minus 10, that gives me 7m. Negative 4, negative 10, that gives me negative 14. Okay, now after that, I want to make m the subject. Okay, so I want my m to be the subject. So I see a division of a multiplication of 7 and divide by 7 on both sides. Negative 4 divided by 7, negative 14 divided by 7, negative 2, 7 divided by 7, so I cancel off. Okay, that gives me m. And final, my answer is m equals to negative 2. So because we always try to write the variable on the left hand side, okay, for good presentation. Okay, thank you.